Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in Learn English with Z. Here in today's video, we are going to discuss super important questions for grade 11 related to paper point of view. Because as we know that from the 10th of July, so 10th of June, the examination for the intermediate has started in Promise KP. So here is the super guess for the इंग्लिश पेपर। तो जैसा कि हमें ये पता है कि हमारी जो फर्स्ट ईयर की किताब है इसके अंदर टोटल 22 लेसन्स हैं। 22 लेसन्स के जब हम क्वेश्चंस काउंट करते हैं तो वो 177 है। तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है कि वो 177 क्वेश्चंस याद करें और प्रॉपरली याद करें। तो इस वजह से यहाँ पर एक सुपर गैस का हम लोगों ने लगाया जिसमें तकरीबन हार्डली 40 to 50 क्वेश्चंस हैं। और जो बंदा इन क्वेश्चंस को प्रॉपरली प्रिपेयर कर लेगा, बिलीव इन मी कि दैट स्टूडेंट विल गेट द रॉयल रिजल्ट इन इंग्लिश पेपर। तो फिर भी ये तो हमारा सुपर गैस ही है, हम 100% श्योरिटी के साथ नहीं कह सकते, बट हियर आई एम सेइंग यू विद द 90% श्योरिटी, क्योंकि जो हम लोगों ने गेस्ट लगाया था फॉर ग्रेड 9 एंड ग्रेड 10 अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 99% क्वेश्चंस आर फ्रॉम द गेस्ट पेपर। सो लेट टॉक अबाउट विच क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट related to paper from all the chapters. So here in the first chapter, the short questions 1, 2, 4 and 7 are very important. अगर हम chapter 2 की बात करें तो question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 they are very important. In chapter 3 question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are very important. In chapter 4, as we know that the chapter 4 is very bulky chapter in our book, that is from Mother with Love. So it has lot of questions, but here are some questions from that chapter which are very important for the paper point of view. Here is the question number 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Then chapter number 5, question number 4, 6 and 7. In the chapter number 6, question number 1, 2, 5 and 6 are very important. In chapter number 7, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 are very important. In chapter number 8, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 are very important. In the chapter number 9, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7 are very important. If we talk about the chapter 10, so question number 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are very important related to the paper point of view. If we talk about the chapter 11, so question number 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are very important. In the chapter 12, question number 1, 4, 5, 8 and 9 are very important. In chapter 13, question number 1, 3 are very important. In chapter 14, question number 1, 3, 5, 6 and 7 are very important. In the chapter number 15, question number 3, 4 and 5 are very important. In chapter 16, question 1, 2 and 4 are very important. In chapter 17, question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are very important. In chapter 18, question number 1, 2, 7 and 8 are very important. In chapter 19, if we talk about, so question number 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are very important. But here in the chapter 20, almost all the questions are very important except question number 9, because all the questions are having SLO based questions. They have a very information related to the lesson, so that is why here are the almost all the questions are included. So in the chapter 21, question number 1, 2 and 5 are very important. In chapter 22, as we know that this chapter is very bulky and this is one and the only one act play, the progress. It has number of questions in the lesson, but the question number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19 are very important. So here in the next question of our paper, that is the poems explanation and the paraphrase. As we know that we have two questions related to this which are compulsory in our paper. So here is the question number 3, chapter 3, 6, 10, 13, 18 and 21. They all are the poems. So it is very difficult to guess from which poem the examiner is going to choose the stanzas for the explanation and the paraphrase. But here is the good news for the students, that is They both are on the choice because the examiner will give 2 stanzas for the paraphrase and 2 stanzas for the explanation. You have to write the paraphrase and the explanation for only 1 stanza, which you know very well. So this is the choice in these 2 questions. So when we talk about the applications, this is 10 marks question that is very important related to paper point of view. Here is the most important application is write an application to MSO for the unhygienic condition of your locality. The second application is write an application to MS for arranging medical camp in your locality. Then the third one is write an application for the post of stenographer. So dear students, you must prepare yourself for the job application. Maybe the examiner will ask you for the another post for the job. So you have to prepare yourself for the application for the applying for the any job. So the application 4 is write an application to principal for fee concession. आपने फ़ी कंसेशन के लिए एक एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है. एंड देन द फिफ्थ वन इज़ राइट एन एप्लीकेशन टू योर प्रिंसिपल फॉर अरेंजिंग बुक फेयर. सो एप्लीकेशन 6 आप अगर करना चाहें तो यहाँ पे आप कर सकते हैं, जो कभी मेरे माइंड में आ रही है. राइट एन एप्लीकेशन टू योर प्रिंसिपल फॉर आस्किंग हिम to bring some new books or to buy some new books in school library or in college library. So this is the application point of view. Then when we talk about the character sketch, so here are the 2 most important characters in our play. The first one is the Mrs. Meldon and the second one is Professor Henry Corey. They both are very important character in our syllabus. So examiner will ask you any one of them. So this is the guest paper, this is the guest question. So these are the guest questions for your paper. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग इस बात को अपने माइंड में बिठाएंगे कि these questions and these applications are not final because this is the guess. Maybe the guess will be wrong, but अल्लाह ना करे ऐसा हो. लेकिन फिर भी आप लोगों का, अगर आप लोगों ने क्वेश्चन आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस गेस तैयार किए तो इंशाल्लाह बिलीव मी यू विल बी एबल टू गेट मोर देन 70% मार्क्स इन योर पेपर. एंड देन इंशाल्लाह इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल शेयर विद यू द पेपर पैटर्न. even though a mock paper with you can attempt it at your home. All the question, what kind of question will be asked examiner in the objectives MCQs, and then what kind of question he will ask you in the subjective. एक पेपर हम लोग इंशाल्लाह डिस्कस करेंगे आपके साथ. all for the best, wish you a nice day and wish you a best of luck for your paper. Allah Hafiz.